First falls of the day at Panthertown. This is Schoolhouse Falls. Kind of a cool area. There's some people camping here. Well, at our next falls, Granny Burrell Falls, looking downstream. Granny's not as impressive as the last one, but still kind of cool in the slick rock area. Maybe 15, 20 feet tall. Up in the clouds, about 4,000 feet. We're at our next waterfall now. This is Frolictown, probably 20, maybe 25 feet tall. Dumps into this tea-colored water here and heads into the Amazon.
Video logs going down into the thing.
And here's my smart-ass son. Here at our next set of falls. This is called Wilderness Falls. It's probably a good 80 to 100 feet tall. We're going to try to get to the top of it too. Hopefully it'll focus up there. It's way up there. Okay. Well, we couldn't make it to the top, so we got halfway point. That's our Greenland Falls. This may be our last falls of the day. I'm not sure if the other two I have on my GPS have trails to them or not. It's been tough getting to this one. Worth it.